Each year, more and more wastewater solids are taxing our treatment operations. The results can be severe operational problems.
The worst nightmare in a pump station is having something come in that's going to clog or break a pump. That's the worst nightmare. You break a pump, you don't have a pump station.
You can, when you back up, you create grease problems a lot of times, and it'll cause a blockage in it could be 2 blocks away in the middle of a street, and then you may have tens or hundreds of homes that are unable to provide sanitary service.
These and other operators have found a solution to the processing of waterborne solids. A high-powered, high-flow size reduction processor that disintegrates solids with a powerful shredding action.
It cuts down on my man hours labor in excess of 10 to 15 hours a week.
A machine specifically built for open channel service. A machine that has been proven in installations worldwide.
It's taken away a lot of headaches, is what it's done.
That machine is the Franklin Miller Dimminutor, designed for today's tough solids and built like a tank. The Dimminutor aggressively reduces sewage solids into small particles with its heavy-duty design. 3 rotary cutters mounted on 3 arms smoothly sweep oversized solids from a heavy, semicircular sizing screen. When the rotary cutters intermesh at close clearances with vertically mounted stationary cutters, the trapped solids are reduced into fine particles that can freely pass through the screen slots. Because the unit operates with 360-degree rotation, the full torque is always available when it's needed. With our clear slot design, the cutters actually penetrate the screen slots to positively clear the screen with each rotation. There are no gaps or openings between this unit's screens and cutters where solids can bypass cutting. The flow works with it, not against it, so complete processing of the solids is assured. There's no need to remove this unit from the channel or disassemble this machine to remove any cutter or screen. Unlike any other unit, each cutter and screen can be easily removed or swapped with another without removing the unit from the channel. The Dimminutor's cutters are constructed of hardened stainless steel, so they're not only abrasion resistant, but they're corrosion resistant too. And our screen is stationary, so it never wears from grit.
In the area we're in, I think our biggest offender is sand. And sand does a job on anything, as anybody knows. However, no problems whatsoever.
Yeah, the stainless steel, cutting edges and cutting surfaces on the Dimminutors are really an attractive part of the package.
The Dimminutor stainless screen is cut using advanced technology for a new level of precision. Compare these rugged stainless screens to the competition. There is no comparison. The Dimminutor's cantilever drive design eliminates the need for seals or bearings below the cutters.
The area of the Dimminutor that's lubricated is above the water level, so there's really no risk of water contamination at all, and that's what is the heart of the ease of maintenance.
With the Dimminutor, you get the best of both worlds. While it easily fits in old communutor installations, it far outperforms them.
We chose the Dimminutor primarily because of its 360-degree rotating ability. We formerly had an oscillating design, and when that would get stuck or something jammed in it, it did not have the ability to free itself. With the Dimminutor, if something's in there, it will stop, it will reverse, and whatever is jammed in the unit will basically is freed and chopped up.
With the Dimminutor and its S250 controller, reversals are nearly instantaneous. The Dimminutor, designed to take a bite out of solids.
Dimminutor is our first line of defense, and it's probably our best line of defense for the rest of the plant. Any small solids that come through our flow going in our stations, it'll grind them up enough to where the pumps can handle it safely without breaking.
Our Dimminutor was installed back in March of 1991, and since then it has not shut down. Now this unit has approximately 70,000 hours of use on it.
We don't have to go down and pull these pumps and clear out these impellers with rags and stuff, and That's a plus right there.
Whether your need is to reduce solids in an unmanned pump station or plant headworks, high flows or low, when you need a system with a proven record, there's one choice for reliability and effectiveness. The Franklin Miller Dimminutor.
The Dimminutor is built like a tank, yes.
It's built like a tank.
This probably stands up a little better than the tank and wastewater.
The Dimminutor, built like a tank.